But Valentine's Day,
Okay, let's get through it.
no, it's so do you all right, so for someone who has literally no plan on Valentine's Day, you think you're just gonna go right down the middle, like, fastball down the middle, get some flowers, get some chocolates, give
All
her a
right.
smack on the ass, call it a day.
So, what day does it fall on?
It's the 14th. I don't know. You expect me to know what day of the week?
You
No,
know,
no. What's today? Today's
today is Tuesday,
it's the
the
second. 12
second.
more days.
So, no, 12
Five
more.
days plus today is like a Saturday or Sunday.
Okay, perfect. So, hopefully, she'll sleep in a little. I just thought about this right now. I'll wake up, breakfast in bed. I haven't done that ever for her.
Yeah,
I haven't done that since I was a kid doing it with my mom. She used to love breakfast in bed. I mean, who doesn't?
absolutely.
But I'll buy flowers the night before. I can't say it too loud because she's in the other room.
Right.
Flowers the night before, breakfast in bed in the morning. Probably go to the beach or like the dog beach. We'll go to Fiesta Island throughout the day. Have some wine. Ooh, maybe a little picnic. I got this sweet backpack that has like dishes and silverware and wine glasses and a cutting board. It's legit. And maybe I'll
Sounds like
grab some
a
cheeses.
picnic
And
bag.
it's a picnic bag.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Pick back. Pick back.
Pick back.
Pick back. Got to pick back.
They pick back.
Anyways, I'll bring my pick back over to Fiesta, bring the dogs, chill out all day, and then we'll order it because I mean, we're not going to go to a restaurant during the pandemic right now, but
Yeah.
and we got the kid, but yeah, I think that's a good idea. And then I'll just order whatever she wants to eat. That's a solid night. Fuck yeah, I'm good.
Ordering's a good way to go because cooking sounds good on the face of it, but then you got all these dishes, and I'm a messy cooker. If you order and you do all that other stuff, it sort of takes the stress off. You got the kid there. Ordering's a good call.
Yeah,
Actually, I gotta think about that. Ordering food might be
that's
a
the
way to
go-to. That's the go-to.
do some other things.
But I got a solid day planned out now. Hell yeah,
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
that's fucking amazing.
You know what
Oh,
goes a long way, and I gotta give my
yeah.
wife the credit for this. Megan loves getting a card. She says any holiday, any birthday, any whatever, just having a
And you
card
got
and
to
cake.
handwrite it out.
Well, you get one with like a funny little two-liner in there, and then
Yeah, but does she want you to write a heartfelt
no, doesn't
like
matter.
paragraph?
No, doesn't matter. Just the
Love.
card,
Okay, cool, cool, cool.
just like the gesture of the card. You write a little something cute in there. Usually, I write like a joke. You know, people maybe a little something,
Hit me with a
something
joke right now. Valentine's Day joke. Go.
Valentine's joke. Um, don't you hate sweet tarts?
Sweet tarts?
Yeah, they're neither sweet nor tart. Doesn't make any sense.
What is that? A Jerry Seinfeld
It's
joke?
like Seinfeld. Sweet tarts are neither sweet nor tart.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense.
What is the deal with the sweet tarts?
What is the deal?
I like it. Yeah, just write that. And you better write that.
Yeah.
Write that and then take a picture and text it to me. I want to see it.
It's neither sweet or tart.
It's true. It's a good point. Valid.
Yeah.
Valid.
Yeah.
Valid.
I'd say it's more sour, which is maybe what happens when you combine sweet and tart. I don't know. But then there's sweet and sour. So then how does that make sense?
No, it doesn't.
Doesn't make
Where's
any
the
sense.
tart? Where'd the tart go?
Right. And it's not an actual tart.
I'm gonna do some investigation on this.
Someone better call these motherfuckers out. I
I'm
mean,
gonna get to the bottom of this.
yeah. Forget
Fuck.
Valentine's Day. They can do whatever they want. We're gonna figure this out.
Right. Right. Yeah, exactly. They can do their own thing. They can make me breakfast. Wait, that's a good point. Why is it always the guy that has to do everything?
You know why? Because we're easy to please. And doing a little bit for the ladies, especially on Valentine's Day, so they can go brag to all their friends on Facebook and take
That's
pictures.
all it is, huh? It's the
It'll
brag.
set you up for like 2 weeks, man. Well, maybe like a week. And you'll be in their good graces for a week. Like for dudes, like you piss us off, but we're mad for 5 minutes, we move on.
Forget about it.
Yeah.
Forget about it.
What we want are kind of different things, a little more graphic. You don't need a holiday for those things.
It's not long enough. Was-
It's the right size though. That's what I was.
And color.
But the card is a good go-to. Because it's definitely a personal touch. And then whatever else you do, you got that card. And then there's the whole process of the card. It's kind of
Save 'em?
really easy. It takes some
Just
thought.
save them.
Save 'em?
Little like photo album. Throw them in the
Yeah.
photo album.
They last for a while, then they make the fridge. And then they're in a box somewhere. You pull them out years later or something.
So she does keep them.
Yeah, you don't. Well, maybe. I see them being kept for a time. Maybe when I'm not paying attention, they disappear. It's not like I'm coming back 5 years later and saying, "Remember that card I got you?"
Where the fuck is it?
Yeah, where the fuck is it?
Yeah.
The thing is I have like I'm like I don't want to call it a curse, but every time I write a card, I always make one error. Like you write in pen, and
Yep.
inevitably, dude, it doesn't matter if it's 1 sentence, 2 sentences. I'll like write an E wrong or something, and it always looks like a fucking third grader did it.
And then you scratch that one letter out and put it a little one right above it.
Yeah, literally that, and you have no choice but to hand it over. So it's just like.
And then anytime they write a card, I've seen her write tons of cards. It's fucking flawless.
Perfect. What do you think they were doing in school the whole time? That's all they ever did was writing little letters and notes to each other. They practiced this for years. We come along years later thinking we're clever.
They got their whole life to practice. I've never written a note in school unless like I'm faking it for the office to get out of class.
I remember one time it was I think it had to be fourth, maybe fifth grade, where you just started to talk to girls. Remember, you'd write that note, "Will you go out with me? Check yes or check no."
No, it's a yes or a maybe.
Yes or maybe. Never give them the no.
Don't give them that option.
Don't give them the dude. Remember that to teach to your kid. Teach that to Cooper.
Of course.
Yeah.
It's the first thing he's gonna know.
Never let him
Besides
say no.
Moana songs.
Yeah.
He already knows those. So guess what's next?
Yeah.